Tesla is seeking a federal court order to recover manufacturing equipment it owns from a Cybertruck parts supplier, emphasizing that production of the pickup could be disrupted within days without it. The company filed an emergency lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Texas, requesting a prompt hearing to regain access to tooling used to stamp Cybertruck components at Giga, Texas. According to the complaint, first reported by Bloomberg, the equipment is currently located inside a Troy, Texas facility operated by Angstrom Automotive Group. The company acquired the plant from Anderton Casting last year and continued serving as a Tesla supplier. This case represents one of the more time-sensitive supplier matters Tesla has brought before a court. The disagreement began on July 13th, when Angstrom informed Tesla of its intention to close the Troy facility. The parties were unable to reach an agreement on retrieving the die-cast tools, trim dies, fixtures, cutting tools, gauges, and X-ray equipment that belonged to Tesla. A planned shipment of 700 finished parts, scheduled for July 17th, did not leave the building, according to the filing. When Tesla representatives, accompanied by law enforcement, attempted to access the plant on July 21st, they were denied entry. Tesla's complaint states that Angstrom then requested an additional $250,000 per week to keep the facility operating, a demand the automaker describes as an effort to apply commercial pressure by holding its own property. Angstrom has not released a public statement. The lawsuit notes that thousands of Cybertrucks already allocated to customers depend on these parts, and that available supply will be exhausted in a matter of days without court action. Tesla is asking the judge only for physical access to equipment it owns, not for a ruling on the broader contract issues or damages. Tesla has previously used the courts to safeguard its supply chain, including its ongoing trade secret case against former battery equipment supplier Matthews International, which resulted in a permanent injunction earlier this year. A decision on Tesla's request for emergency relief is expected within days. My take? Tesla is doing exactly what a responsible company should do, protecting its own equipment and ensuring Cybertruck production continues for customers who are waiting. Elon and the team refuse to let a supplier dispute slow down progress. I'm fully behind Tesla's decisive action to keep building the future. Cybertruck, Optimus, Robotaxi, and everything else will keep moving forward. Proud supporter of Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon all the way.